What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today, our unboxing for our November company, Clever Beard Co. So, let's jump into this package. First off, check out my new shirt from We the People Holsters. It says, remember everyone deployed in red, all red. Check that out. Really awesome shirt. But anyway, let's jump into Clever Beard. So let's see if I can get into this without a knife. I have one, but let's see. All right, let's just empty out the pack first and see what we have here. All right, let's see. All right, so we have a sticker, Mission 22. Which helps veteran causes. If you weren't sure what Mission 22 is, it does help veteran causes. Clever Beard Co. We'll get some more information on the Mission 22 in an update video because I'm not 100% sure what all they do, but I'll get back with you on that. Looks like we have, oh, there's something else here. And we have a Mission 22 keychain. Pretty cool. All right, so it looks like we have a balm and 2 oils. So let's see what we have to use for the month of November. So I can get into this. It is bubble wrapped. All right, so our let's see, our balm is the natural. So I'm gonna guess that's gonna be unscented. That, but check out this can. All right, so it's got a white, I guess that's a sticker on top, but perfect size of the can. And on the back side it says stay clever, and it's got ingredients, but they're really small. Mango butter, babusa oil, maybe I'll put it on the screen, beeswax, coconut oil, hemp oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. So let's see. There's that. That's unscented. I don't get any carrier with that, so good deal on that. It doesn't tell me a size. All natural, organic. So we'll get back with that. We have one of the oils is the Golfer. Now, I don't know anything about Clever Beard, so I don't know what the scent profiles are. Let's see if I can do this without butchering up the name or the scent profile. Well, I still got some more plastic on here. All right, so you can see this is the Golfer. It is a frosted bottle, and it's not gonna focus. It's just too bright. But we've got ingredients, we've got directions, and we do have scent profile, but I'm not looking at it. So let's give it a shake and see. Pulls up almost to the top, and the dropper has measurements on there. Oh my, that is sweet. That smells really good. What is this scent profile? Peaches, fresh cut grass, and magnolia. The name of it is the Golfer. Oh my. That smells amazing. All right, so our next one is pumpkin spice. So we have a little bit different label here. It's got a purple background. Okay, so we've got the same thing. We've got directions, we've got ingredients, and then around here we've got our scent profile. I'm not gonna read that. Let's see. I'm usually not a fan of pumpkin spice. I'll say that before I open this bottle. But let's see how this does. Let's see. Okay. I get the pumpkin. I do get the pumpkin. But it's not, I don't know. This could grow on me. Like, what is this? Harvest pumpkin, nutmeg, and marshmallow. I'm not a fan of pumpkin spice. Just the scent of it, I'm not. But this smells pretty good. I almost get the I don't know how to describe it, but I almost get like kind of a coffee shop feel. And I know that this time of the year they all smell like pumpkin spice, but I'm not saying this time of year. I'm saying just the coffee shop. It almost smells a little bit like coffee, but it smells really good. So I'm ready to jump into these and check these out and try these out and come back with updates. We're gonna have 3 updates this month. Of course, we'll update on each one of these products and then come back with final thoughts. So I'll figure out how we're gonna do that and time frames and all that kind of stuff. And so make sure to hit that red bell after you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that red bell so you are notified when videos drop. That way you'll know when all of these come through. I'm looking forward to using Clever Beard. It's the first time I've used it. They've been around since 2019, I think. And yeah, I'll give you a little bit more information about the company because, like I said, I've never used them before. So I'm gonna come in with a lot more info on the next one. I do know that they have a product that does, proceeds do go help Mission 22. So I'll give you some more info on Mission 22 in one of the update videos, and then that way you'll know more about that if you did not. So there will be a link to Clever Beard in the description below. There'll also be a link to We the People holsters if you want to go pick up one of these awesome shirts. Actually wore the right shirt. We're talking about Mission 22, helps veterans, remember everyone deployed. Look at that. So it worked out. So make sure to click those links, make sure to check these companies out, and yeah, hit subscribe if you hadn't already. And stay tuned for the month of November because it looks like it's going to be a good month. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.